Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. We are out here on a Sunday. Oh, they're definitely gonna take it back, eh? Boo! We're watching the Eagles game because Sunday morning, just made myself a coffee and we're gonna go to the market in a few. So really just thought I would pop in and say hello and good morning. Oh, and happy Halloween! It's Halloween today.
Oh yeah, spooky.
Spooky. Okay, we're back on a commercial break, so I thought I would pop back in. So yes, it is Halloween today. We went to a party on Friday night, our friend Simone's party, which was so much fun. But I sent it for the party. I just decided, you know what? I'm gonna have a good time. And I did. It was so much fun. Literally made Connor stay up until like 5:30 in the morning with me, even though he was so tired. He was a real trooper. Hung out with me anyway. Much appreciated. Oh, hi, Molly Cat. And then we slept in a little yesterday and then literally spent all day on the couch. All day. I'm not exaggerating, all day. And we were both asleep by like 8:30 on the couch and in bed by 10:15. So it was a day. And for that party, I actually did a little bit of a Spice Girls vibe with Kate and Vic. We were only 3 out of 5 Spice Girls, but that's okay. People still got it, so it works. It's all good. Hi, Molly Cat. So, did a bit of self-tanner yesterday. It was my first time using this new product from Isle of Paradise, so I feel like I still need a little bit of practice, but doesn't look too bad. Tonight, I'm dressing up as Baby Spice. I'm actually being an outfit repeater. I was already Baby Spice a couple years ago, but who the heck cares? No one will ever know I'm wearing a very similar outfit because again, it's just thrown together just like it was that year. So it's just gonna be one of those costumes. Connor's costume is also thrown together because I didn't pick anything out for him. And obviously if he's going to have a planned costume, it's gonna be because of me, because the man is not gonna figure out a costume on his own. He does not care enough. But we actually remembered that he has this like Top Gun bodysuit. So he's being whoever from Top Gun. I've never seen that movie. It's Tom Cruise's character, which terrifying, but whatever, it's just a character from a movie. We're gonna ignore the Tom Cruise part of that. We're going to take a little thin brush like this and this lovely Born to Run palette. This is the only palette I have that has color. We're gonna be using this little guy here. We're going in with that pink color and all over the lid. Okay, blending right up into that crease that we just put in. Here's the kicker. This is what's gonna really bring this look to life. We're going to use this little eye jelly from, what is this called? Jill Stewart. I just get some on my finger and tap it onto my eye. And not only does it just like blend everything together, but also makes the look a whole lot more fun. The goal here is to have these sort of like stick out the side, like up and out the side a little bit. Yeah, like that, exactly. Yes, I think that works. I'm gonna go sort out my hair quickly in the bathroom and then I'll check in with you guys when I'm figuring out my outfit. Wow, this is not so bad. I'm not too disappointed in this. I'm also going to be wearing this. I made this for my Britney costume a few years ago and it has really come in handy for other costumes. So glad that I kept it because then it gives even more of a pop star vibe. We'll deal with that more in a second. I also think, I have some butterfly clips that I could maybe put in my hair, like little pink ones, but let's figure out what we're gonna wear first and then we will worry about accessorizing. So, I believe these pants are coming out to play, mostly because like my other pink options are not great. I'll show you. Like it's really just these two that I think would be good. This I wore last weekend for a different costume, and this is just not it, so it's a no. So here's the thing, I knew what top I wanted to wear. It's just a little white tank top, really simple. It's my favorite white tank top and it is missing. I looked everywhere I could think for it and there's just no time. Is it under Molly's blanket here? No. Okay, yeah, too late, so backup plan. We could go with like this little one shoulder business. This is what I'm leaning towards. We could also go all in on a little like bright pink moment. I also have this little like tan bandeau moment, but again, I just don't feel like that's right. I really do think it's gonna be this white tank top, so we'll try this on first, and if I'm happy with it, we can just move on. Okay friends, I feel like this will definitely do. That's gonna be fine. Let's get these clips in my hair. Little pop of pink, that's fine by me. I'm not gonna be that picky about it. Okay, here's the finished look. What? LYFT. Our LYFT is almost here, and I feel like this came together okay, and I'm hoping as a group it will read even better, but it's gonna have to do. So there you have it, we are off for the night. I had already done that costume a couple years ago, but you know, it was all good. Definitely was a bit thrown together, but today we are going to a very, very fun Halloween party. It's a Sunday. I would usually never go out on a Sunday, but for this I would do literally anything. So Morgan is having a Halloween party today, and it is Hogwarts themed. So she is decking out her entire home to look like Hogwarts. The little sneak peeks that she has sent so far have looked absolutely insane. I cannot wait. So I am a Hufflepuff, that is my house, and typically I would only wear anything Hufflepuff related because I truly believe that we are the best house, very underrated. But I had to take advantage of this opportunity and my curly hair and be Hermione, because I have the perfect Hermione hair now and it would just be such a waste to not use it. So I'm gonna be Hermione, Connor's gonna be Harry. All of my Hermione fanfic dreams from when I was 15 are coming true today. Who else? Always thought that Harry and Hermione would be a great couple because I was all for it. Obviously I love Hermione and Ron, but there's something there, I'm telling you. Anyway, we will be dressed in Gryffindor gear, but we're doing like games where you compete for the house cup during her party. It's gonna be so fun, I'm so excited. And I'm going to compete on Hufflepuff, and so is Connor because he's a Hufflepuff as well. Although we were all like, we don't know if we buy it. I did make him take the Baltimore quiz a couple years ago and he came back as a Hufflepuff, but I may make him retake it today because I need to confirm. But either way, we're both going to compete on Hufflepuff, and even though we'll be wearing Gryffindor. So anyway, I don't know why I just told you all that, but I hope you enjoyed the information. Back to my football game, and I'll check in with you guys before we head out to the farmer's market. Look at us out of the house. Woo, it's a miracle. We are just walking up to the market right now. It is a chilly gray day out today.
I'm actually kind of feeling it for Sunday though.
Me too, it's pretty nice.
Adorable.
So cute.
Hello. How are you guys doing?
Hello.
We're gonna definitely grab
ciabatta. Do you want a demi baguette or a regular baguette?
Let's get the regular.
Okay.
Regular baguette? Hello. All right. This guy looks okay.
Time for flowers. Back home, don't mind my hair. I just got really hot walking home, so hence this. But I thought I would do a quick little haul for you guys. Got some of our usuals and some new stuff, which is very exciting. So of course, a baguette for Connor, and we're also gonna probably have a couple snacks with that today. Also got a tomato here. I think this was one of the like beef tomatoes. I forget what those are called. And of course some cherry tomatoes as well. There we go, cherry tomatoes. Got a big piece of tuna steak here for us to have, I guess probably tomorrow. Also got some other breads. We got a ciabatta and our pretzel buns, of course. Lastly, from our, oh no, not lastly, where's the other goat cheese thing? Okay, from the place we get the spreads, we got some lentil soup. Thought that would be yummy for lunch this week, as well as a couple spreads, the chipotle garlic, which is our go-to, and then this is something new, tomato garlic spread. Also sounds delicious. We'll probably try those this afternoon. And then lastly, there was a new stall there that we haven't seen before. I hadn't been to the market in over a month because of all the traveling I was doing, so nice to be back. This is from Drake Family Farms, and they are a goat cheese farm. Now, I'm not a huge goat cheese fan in general. It's not really my cup of tea, but this was really good. It's a jalapeno, let's see, how did they say this? Chevre.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Basically a spread. They said to leave it out on the counter because it is frozen. And then the other thing that Connor picked out was this feta.
I bet it'll be good. What goes well with feta? I guess like you can put it in a salad.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
been a very chill afternoon as predicted. Just have been hanging out on the couch, relaxing, and it's been an excellent time doing sort of our usual Sunday routine. But it is 4 p.m. now, and I need to hop in the shower and wash my hair so I can get the curls back for Hermione, and I was so excited. It's going to be so fun dressing up that way. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. By the way, I am loving these jeans from Superdown. They're a little long on me, but that's okay. They work with like booties, or today I just wore like platform sneakers and they stayed up off the ground, but I just think they're a very cool vibe. I'm gonna try to remember to link them down below for you guys. Okay, we have about an hour before we need to head out, so I want to do my makeup. That way I have a little bit of time to make a quick little meal as well before we go. I feel like most of my self-tanner came off in that shower. Not obsessed with Isle of Paradise so far. I feel like it's not quite as long lasting. Like my face, I washed it in the shower obviously, and I don't know, it just seems white again. I mean, I'm definitely still more tan than usual, but not as tan as I was in the last clip, I don't think. Yeah, I'm being Hermione, so I don't need to do really much special as far as makeup goes. Okay, I think I have a plan for the eyes. So, I'm going to start with a fluffy brush and this brown color here, and then drag that through my crease. And I'm actually thinking I'm just gonna sweep that same color all over my lid here. I'm gonna be taking this brown pencil here. I basically want to do like a line along this outer part here and like feather it out a little bit. That's the plan. We'll see what I can actually do. Starting with just establishing the line along the top and the bottom. And now I want to just thicken up that line here and here just a little bit. Okay. And now blend. And that's basically all I'm gonna do because very light and natural. All right, doesn't seem too bad. I like it. Okay, Hermione makeup complete. Basically nothing.
Looking cute, Hermione.
Making some salad wraps here for Connor and I. We have some spicy corn patties in the microwave here, which are almost done. It's gonna be delish. All right, we got a little lettuce wrap up here, looking so good. About to down this baby and then go get changed. Okay friends, I am in costume. I'm just gonna throw some earrings on and then I'll show you guys what Connor and I look like.
Yeah.
Harry and Hermione.
Woo woo!
My hair will dry on the way there and then it's gonna get like big. I'm just gonna like poof it up real big. Okay, here's my Hermione costume. Got this little vest off of Amazon. I already had this skirt thrifted. Really cute and simple. I also have my wand. And then here's Coco, looking super cute. We have a little scar on him. We messed up his hair a little to make him look like Harry. And he's got a little Gryffindor tie. Yay, so excited. And this is where I leave you guys. I will try to get a couple little clips of what goes down at this party, but otherwise I hope that you enjoyed watching this day so far.